there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. Today we have on offer this final year production 1976 Triumph TR-6 convertible. It's finished in its original color of Tahiti blue with beige interior, fitted with a black soft top and a black soft top boot. It is a factory fitted 4-speed overdrive car, very rare, and also very rare in this color scheme as well. So we purchased this car recently in Nevada, and runs and drives amazingly well. I'm sure the engine's been rebuilt with some performance mods, because this is probably one of the quickest TR6s we've driven this year. So very, very healthy, very quick driving car. Handles really well with these slightly lower profile tires, but the overdrive unit makes up for that if you're if you're worried about freeway ratios. So quite a good driving car, very quick, very crisp. If you can see me just preceding this walk around video, I'm kind of giving it some good gas going around the street there, pushing it. And you could shift this car at 4,000 RPM intervals. It's very, very fun. I mean, it's real exciting to drive this car. Paint work overall is very, very good. It was restored by the previous owner, so had a very good quality paint work. I did see a few spots here on the passenger door. I think this was just maybe from garage chips that he tried to touch in, but those are really simple to fix. But the quality overall is very nice, very glossy. But yeah, very rare color of Tahiti blue on beige. Now the upholstery on this car, we'll take a look at it. Dash is just totally restored, really nice. Real nice wood wheel fitted. So it's been custom upholstered in this soft, sort of a velour, and probably because of the heat there in Nevada, he just didn't want to jump into a car that had a hot interior. So so that works really well. They're really comfortable seats, but like I said, once again, in a custom material, but in the right color. This car was originally Tahiti blue on beige, so he's kept the beige part correct. Carpets are real nice, those have been restored, but as you can see here, really nice condition car. The sun visors are in great shape. Real light walnut, real nice light colored dash. Arm pads, arm bars have all been restored. Great custom wood wheel there, probably from Moss Motors. It looks like a tourist trophy. I'll show you the door panels. Door panels have been done as well in that custom velour material. All this weather stripping looks really nice and new. So, good little restoration on the car. Good quality. Windshield, rubber's been renewed. The insert, it's the original Triplex, so it's probably a brand new reproduction Triplex windshield. That's been replaced. Tires are new. Chrome looks good. Very good chrome. Once again, this is a final year production TR6, so it's a 76. But I would classify this car as an excellent driver with very good cosmetics, restored in the original color scheme. And it's a factory overdrive car. The overdrive works. I just took it for a drive there, and I was checking the overdrive unit, so that clicks in nicely. And the only thing this car could use is this lower section here was usually blackened, but they kept it body color here below the chrome strip. But as an option to the buyer, we can do that. We can blacken that lower trim, which is up to the buyer. That's a simple repair, simple fix for us. So we've got that dialed in on other cars here. But yeah, let me show you the engine compartment. Yeah, so here's the engine compartment. Looks like the engine's been fully rebuilt. It's got a Triumph Tune solid aluminum finned valve cover. It is fitted, oh, this is why it's driving so well. It's fitted with these SUs, which are really potent when they're put on a TR-6. So I thought maybe this thing's got a camshaft. It drives so well with great horsepower, but it's because of these H6 carbs. These are the same carbs fitted to a TR-4A, and they really dish out the mixture nicely. So, but yeah, nice body color engine bay. There's no blackening going on or any color change. This is, I believe, is the original paintwork in here. Yeah, that doesn't look like it's been repainted. So very, very good match to the current car, in keeping that rare original Tahiti blue color. So yeah, interesting car. You know, very late production 76 Triumph TR-6, Tahiti blue on beige. It's a 4-speed overdrive car, and it was delivered new that way by the factory, because I can tell on the VIN plate it's fitted with a luggage rack, black weather equipment, excellent driving car, very nice cosmetically, and it's currently for sale on our website, www.kurttannermotorcars.com.